Today I'm going to be showing you how to download a font on your Cricut Design Space using a Mac computer. So we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is go to defont.com to get our font. And we're going to go and choose a font that we would like. So I'm just going to go to all new fonts to see something that I would like. So since it's the summertime, I'm going to go ahead and download this Summer Vibes font. Once you click on download, you will see it pop up at the top right hand of your screen under downloads, like so. Once it's downloaded in this folder, you will click here to show your downloads, and you will double click. Once you do that, it will give you a window that will pop up with your font that you just downloaded, and you'll click install. Once it's installed, it will pop up in your font book just like it did here. After that, you will exit out. You will then go to Cricut Design Space if it's not already open. If Cricut Design Space is open, you won't be able to see your font that you just downloaded. So what you will need to do is close out Cricut Design Space and reopen it. So we'll go ahead and open it here. Click on New Project. Click on Text. Go up here to your top left hand corner and click on Font. We'll go here and search for the font. We downloaded Summer. And there it is. And you can begin using the font you just downloaded. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful and you liked it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I will be doing another video on how to download a font using a Windows computer. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.